Welcome friends, the differentiator here with respect to x sine of the square root of 1 plus x squared. You really should pause the video and think about how to do this on your own. As a clue though, you would have to use the chain rule twice. So let me show you the solution then. So here it would look like this, cosine, and then after that you would have the square root. Now the cosine is the derivative of the sine function, and then you copy the other part, and you set up here the multiplication by the derivative of the inside, which would be just the derivative of the square root of that expression 1 plus x squared under the square root symbol. Next is going to be cosine again, and then you would have that square root of 1 plus x squared. Now the derivative there, let's rewrite that. So that would be equivalent to 1 plus x squared, and then this would be raised to the 1/2. Continues. Now this would be cosine and the square root there of 1 plus x squared. And then you bring the 1/2 down. And then you copy the inside, 1 plus x squared, and you subtract 1 from 1/2 to get negative 1/2. And then again, you would multiply by the derivative of that new inside, 1 plus x squared. I'm going to pause here for a count of 5. I want you to make a prediction. What does the next step look like? To pick up, it's going to be cosine of the square root of 1 plus x squared, and then here 1/2, for example, and then 1 plus x squared. Again, it's still raised for now to the negative 1/2, and the derivative of 1 plus x squared is just 2x, you see? So the next stage, take a look what happens. This 2 cancels with this 2 on the bottom, because one is 1/2 and the other one is 2 over 1. So now what's left over is the following then. Cosine of the square root of that 1 plus x squared, and then in the top you can write this as x, and that 1 plus x squared to the negative 1/2 can go into the bottom as the square root of 1 plus x squared this way. And lastly, a common way to write this is to put the x out front and you multiply by the cosine there of the square root of 1 plus x squared, and you take this whole thing and then you make this hang over that expression, the square root of 1 plus x squared, and that's the answer. Please leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in another video. Let me separate this down a little bit so it's easier to see.